Hi, in front of me is TECLAST P20HD, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this tablet. Firstly, open Play Store and type iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now, you need to click Allow a bunch of times. I don't know if it will auto-rotate, but that's not a problem, because from here we need to click Home button and choose iOS Launcher. Then you need to tap on Always over here and click Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my tablet. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can always leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!